Hi guys, Kyri from Electricus Audio Visual. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we've installed a smart security system that's going to cover the perimeter of the home as well as some outbuildings. We've also installed general infrastructure around the home for a network, so devices such as PCs can be hardwired, desk locations in bedrooms have the hardwired data locations, as well as incorporating a Wi-Fi network throughout the property. In addition to that, we've also installed some music in the kitchen, so you enjoy music around the home, and also a Control4 intercom solution. We have got 3 rooms of video distribution. That includes the kitchen, the living room and the master bedroom. We have installed some perimeter protection. So if you haven't seen our previous video on security, click here. So now all we're doing is basically just terminating all our data points around the home, testing out all our field cables, making sure everything's okay. And then now's the point where we start fitting the hardware, such as the network switches, the Control4 automation system, and also the Control4 DS2 door stations, as well as a Control4 chime. So the solution for this home was the client wanted to have one app where he could see everything and control everything. So basically we chose Control4 because he wanted to have the intercom feature where it will ring his mobile phone, as well as have the security cameras and also the perimeter protection, giving him notifications if someone was to trespass on their property when they don't want them there. That's the end of our video. As always, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. As we said before, this is a 2-part video, so on the next video we'll be showing you how everything is working together on the Control4 user interface, and we'll explain the products further about what we've chosen, why. And I hope to see you on the next one.